You can see something which I am writing here, children. I have written Roman numerals here. You all can see this? No? Now can you see? Okay. Roman numerals. You all know what are Roman numerals, right? You had an idea about Roman numerals in the previous class also. You people have learned, right? What are Roman numerals? See, around 1700 BC, these Roman numerals were found. Before we start this number system, Hindu-Arabic numbers, which we used to follow, like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, this infinite numbers are there. No, before that, these Roman numerals were introduced. Around 1700 BC, these Roman numerals were introduced. For what purpose? For counting purpose only. But there were so many drawbacks in that. Like the Romans doesn't used zero, no zero at all. In the numbers we have zero concept also, right? But no zero was there in no Roman numerals, and we cannot frame numbers more than 1000. They used to have only till 1000 only. More than 1000 they cannot. If we have to write more than 1000 numbers, like if you want to write 2003, we used to write like this. But okay, but in Roman numbers, they used to write only till 1000 numbers only were there. After that, they cannot able to denote the numbers like Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, and this was one drawback of that, and they cannot use to place identify the numbers by using these Roman numerals. Like vehicle numbers will be there, no, in our Hindu Arabic numbers, like 1509 TS 1509, like that will be placed. No vehicle numbers. For this, it will become it made them to have a problem to frame the numbers in the form of Roman system. They cannot able to frame the numbers in the form of Roman system. So these many drawbacks were there with this Roman system. So generally we use this Hindu Arabic system. But what are the apart from the drawbacks of the Roman system, we need to know about the values which they used for in the form of Roman system. Let us know what are those little, how they used to identify the numbers, how they used to write the numbers and all. Let us know. But before that, let me show you one thing. Yes, Ashish?
Ma'am, who created these Roman numerals?
Romans. Can you see something here, Pranav? No?
Ma'am, we cannot see anything.
Okay.
Khali. Only we can see the scratches.
Now you can see. Wait a minute.
Now we can see. Camera roll, same feature, 200 millimeters capacity.
You
Developments
look
of
at this, not that one. You look at this. See, you can see a clock here made with some Roman numerals, right? So this, for this kind
Yes,
of
ma'am.
purposes, it is easy to represent. Why? Because less numbers are there. Out of this, in a face of a clock, we use only 12 numbers, right? So we can use for such kind of purposes. Okay. You all know these numbers, right? Roman numerals you have learnt last year.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the time here you can see now? With these Roman numbers, what is the time you can see here? Pranav,
Ma'am, 146.
why, from where you are saying that? Where is the minutes hand and where is the hours hand? Smaller one is minutes hand or hours hand?
Smaller one is our hand.
So what is the time now? Tell me properly. Viras, sit properly.
9-7.
Yes, it's 9-7. See, 9. The hours hand is on 9. Just past 9. And how many minutes have been passed? You should look over the longer hand. Right. Longer hand is on what number? On 7. 1 means 5 minutes passed. After that, 2 more minutes passed. It's on 7. So 7 minutes past 9. You can say in another way like 7 minutes past 9. Right? What is the time in this, Netra?
Ma'am, I cannot see the clock, ma'am.
What about others? Vinmay, can you see?
Ma'am, we can see clearly.
Why Netra cannot see it seems? Vinmay, can you see?
Ma'am, I can. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the time, Nana. See, hours hand, smaller hand, on what number you can see there?
Ma'am, now it came for me.
Yes?
Ma'am, it's 10:08, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It's 10-8. Hours hand is on 10 and minutes hand is on 8. 8 minutes past 10, right? Or else you can say it as 10-8 or 8 minutes past 10. See here. Roman numerals are related to numbers here. It is shown. If anybody are interested, you can prepare such kind of clock. Roman numbers related Hindu Arabic numerals. See, look at the clock there. On flower petals, Roman numerals are there. Related numbers, Hindu Arabic numerals are given in the clock. Once look over it for a while, then we'll go to the next point.
మాట ఆపోజిట్ లో ఒక అతన్ని
us recall the Roman numerals now. First of all, see, you all know Roman numerals used to have the values, how used to continue the numbers by using basic symbols, 7 basic symbols. They used to have all the numbers are based on 7 basic symbols of alphabet letters. Alphabets are there now. From that, they used only 7 letters, basic symbols as Roman numerals. What are those? Out of the alphabets, what are the alphabet? Tell me, Netra.
Ma'am?
What are alphabets? Letters from A to Z. Letters from A to Z are alphabets, right? So out of
Yes,
these
ma'am.
letters, Roman used 7 basic letters, 7 letters as basic symbols to represent their numbers. What are those? I, V, X. You can see the board, children? Can you see the board? Yes, Vinmay? Okay. Lasya, something you are saying,
I,
Lasya?
V, X,
Okay, Nana, unmute.
M.
Already we have learned last year also. No, tell me, Vinmay. IVX. Next, in an order you have to say. Next will become what? IVX, L, C, D, and M. These are the 7 basic letters Romans used to use to represent the numbers. Okay. Here, Netra, Lasya, Rohan, Ashik, Sai Kirtan, anything to say? You people have raised your hand here.
I'm going to write that now.
Ma'am, I didn't
No
raise
need.
my
Did
hand.
I say to write? Did I say to write? What for you?
Ma'am,
You
I
people
didn't
make
raise
me to
my hand.
waste time.
I
Put
didn't
down your
raise my
hands.
hand. Ma'am.
Put down your hands, all of you. Last year, put down. So here, I. The value of I in Hindu Arabic number system is, mute yourself, all of you. Pranav, first listen to me. Just put down your hand for some time. Afterwards, I'll give you some time to ask your doubts and all. Till here, everything is clear, right? In the explanation part. Afterwards, you can ask me. Yes, Pranav, tell me. Tell
Ma'am,
me, Pranav.
I'll tell those all.
So here, okay, tell me. What are the values in Hindu Arabic numbers?
I is 1,
Yes,
B is 5,
very good.
X is 10,
Okay.
N is 50,
Mm,
C is 100,
very good.
D is 500,
Okay,
M is 1000.
very good. These are the values in Hindu Arabic system. These are the values in Hindu Arabic system, and these are the 7 basic letters where Romans used to use. Okay. What are those? Once again, you recall. Remember, tomorrow I'm going to ask you these values, children. After that only, we'll go to the further part. What is the value of I in Hindu Arabic system? It's 1. V, 5. X, 10. L, 50. See, don't think that C is before alphabet, all these alphabets, right? So what is, why this value is 100? They made it like that, like this. So try to remember in this order only. It's better, okay? C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you these values. Try to remember, try to read it carefully and try to remember these values. Tomorrow I'm going to ask. Now write down some notes based on this. Open your notebook, children. Put today's date. I think you people know how to write Roman numbers from 1 to 39. Right, children? 1 to 39.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
x, what is this?
Ma'am, I know.
For
1 to
10.
50.
Okay, for 10, what is the value? X, right? To write 20, how you will write?
X.
Double X. And for 30, you use 3x. But remember,
Triple X.
in Roman numbers, triple X. In Roman numbers, these letters must not be repeated more than 3 times. These Roman basic symbols are there, no? Those should not be repeated 3 times. So here till 39 you people have to write as homework. After that, using other basic symbols, we'll come to know, will let us learn tomorrow other values also till 1000.
Okay.
Write down. Roman numerals. First line, there are 7 basic symbols in the Roman number system. When these Roman numbers were used in ancient days, before this number system, Hindu-Arabic number system was introduced, these these numbers used to be, they used to in ancient days, children. Write down till here. After that, headings again. Roman numeral. Leave 1 to 2 boxes gap and write Hindu-Arabic numerals. Numeral means what, children? Symbol of numbers. Okay. I. Value is what? 1. V value is 5. X value is 10. L value is 50. C value is 100. D value is 500. M value is 1000. Your homework is today you have to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 39, children. You all know, right? Yes. Tomorrow I'll be asking the values also. What is I value in her Roman numeral? B value, X value, L value, C value, D value, and M value. Yes, Pranav and Netra?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Always you are putting your hand, raised hand symbol always. Put it down. Copy down this, children. Your homework is write the Roman numerals from 1 to 39.
Ma'am,
Yes?
apple, second. Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, we use down some.
If I move it down, others cannot see the values over here. See, I'll moving, make it fast. See it and
Okay, ma'am.